What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Bree. Y'all ready for me? I'm finna put it down on you. Do you wanna see? Hey! Y'all like that, didn't y'all? But we got a transformation today, so stay tuned. Ew. So today, y'all, y'all seen the split dye, and I'm just gonna start off with cutting her hair because what I say last time, ain't no point of keeping all that hair when you gonna color it and cut it off. Like, ain't no point in coloring all that hair, sis. You just wasting product at this point, and product is too expensive, not expensive, expensive, okay? But yeah, I'm just gonna go in because she's getting like a little pixie cut today or whatnot. We gonna do it how we doing. She gonna do it like it's her day or whatnot. Let me stop playing with y'all. But I got a little bit of explaining to do. I'm sorry I did miss last week, but you know how things go. Anyway, we're getting right into it. Of course, y'all know I'm using my favorite lightener, Wella Blondor. And then we're going to use some 20 volume here. I believe I'm doing a 1-to-2 ratio. This might be like 1.5 or 2 ounces. And then I'm going to do, if I'm doing 1.5, then what I'm doing either 2 ounces or 3. Yeah. Probably like 2 or 3 ounces of 20 volume lightener. And I'm going to mix that up. Add my little Olaplex in. And we're going to get the applying. But if you haven't already, while you're sitting here just watching, you know, let me tell y'all how YouTube work. You know, you can when you're watching a video on your phone, right? You can just swipe that video down while the video is still playing, right? Check this out. This is how God gets so good. You know, while the video is still playing, you can go ahead and check out my page and subscribe. Period. Like, if you ain't subscribed yet, then what is you doing? What is you doing? Y'all, I'm on one tonight. You know, I don't get it, but we here with it. Just rhyming today. But yes, I'm going to start off with putting her hair back-to-back foil so we can get her all over blonde. I want maximum lift. So that's why I'm putting her in foils, because we want to get her as blonde as possible. And we're not going to worry about that pink because I'm probably going to eventually cut most of that off. So I don't know why I didn't cut it right here. I was just trying to preserve a little bit, maybe if I needed some of that length just in case. But we just going to go ahead and paint that lightener all on her new growth and drag it down just a little bit just in case I do need some of that length. But as far as the back right here, I definitely didn't need it. But I did stop painting on that pink once I got to this section up here. So we at the top with it. We're doing a split dye. If you didn't notice by now, we're definitely doing split dye. She's doing half blue, half black. So there's no point of, you know, this is really like a quick little moment. Yeah, see here, I scooted that off to the side. I didn't really paint that. I should have did that all the way around instead of doing it in the back. But hey, it was clicking in my head like, why am I coloring out of this? I'm trying to waste part of myself. No. We ain't doing that, honey. We're not doing that. Not today. But yeah, we're going to go on and just paint this lightener on, doing some back-to-back foils, making sure that she is fully saturated because we want what? Maximum lift. We want maximum lift, y'all. Maximum lift. We want her all the way blonde. All the way. We don't want her orange. No, we don't want her orange. We don't want her red. We want her a high yellow. Not yellow. Yellow. I'm going to spell it out for you. Yellow. And once again, if you haven't already, definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, please. You know, I'm a working girl. I'm trying to get up here, you know, and get these subscribes up. But I need your help, your support, your not motivation, because I got the motivation, but whatever. I just need your help, okay? You can just share this to your friends, share it to your family member. I know y'all got some group texts and some group messages. Put this in the group. Tell them to check me out. Do what you gotta do. I don't care how you do it, but can you please do it? Yeah. But anyway, we finished foiling that side of her head. Now I'm just going to apply this lightener all on the rest of her hair that's going to be on this side. Pretty much just painting on her scalp. really, you know what? Just painting all on this side, and then I'm going to go in between each foils and hit the roots on that once I put this on. Sorry, my mouth is just like not getting it together today, and I don't understand why. I really don't understand why. But yes, we're gonna get this together. Just paint her up so that way she can get fully blonde on this side, because we said we wanted some high lelo. Yes, word of the day is lelo. You know what? If you made it this far, and I know it's only 5 minutes in, whatnot, but you know, because some people be only looking at your video for like 2 minutes and they just click out. But if you made it this far, I want you to put in the comments, Lelo. Come on now. Give me some Lelo. And then add a lemon to it. A little lemon next to the Lelo so we know it's real. Okay? Period. But yeah, so we still go ahead and just painting this on her scalp. Getting it all good and saturated, fully saturated. Make sure that there's no spots missing. We don't want any clumps together. We want to make sure this is full on, laying it on thick, honey. Fully saturated, thick, honey. You don't want to see no spots. No spots. Because we want all saturation, baby. All saturation. Period. So yeah, so once I finish putting this on here, I'm gonna lay a foil on top of this so that way it can incubate in this in the foil and process to its full potential, because we want maximum lift. So now at this point, I have already rinsed her out, shampooed the lightener out, and we're just going in and finishing up the cut. I'm just doing more of a, not really the precision cut right now. Just want to get that shape in before I go in and apply that blue on top of this. So just to make sure, you see how her ends aren't fully blonde, like where that pink was, it's not fully blonde because that's where we pretty much cutting it off. Y'all see where I'm cutting it, so that's why I was saying there's no point in keeping all that hair if I'm going to be cutting it damn near all the way off. So yeah, we just going in with this cut, give her a little cute moment and whatnot, and I'm using my razor right now, and then I will go in and switch out between my shears and my razor. I like to use the razor just because her hair is pretty thick, so that way she won't have any like blunt lines. I like to use the razor to kind of give a softer cut, and then go in with my shears and kind of point cut, and I will go in and point cut some places in the front too with all straight shears, but for the most part I kind of use the razor. Then I just, you know, you'll see I just switch in and out between razor and scissors or shears, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And yeah, so you can just stay tuned, finish watching this video, and I will see y'all once it's time to apply her color. Now, I just want to come in and interrupt, you know, y'all viewing real quick, just to say thank you. I appreciate you guys for tuning in and just, you know, liking my videos, commenting. Definitely leaving some comments because y'all have been doing kind of good, you know. Y'all been doing kind of good. I'm going to give y'all credit. Okay. Y'all been doing y'all little thing or whatnot. I ain't going to say y'all can do a little bit more, but, you know. I'm just kidding. But I really want to say thank you, and I appreciate y'all for tuning in. And yeah, okay, I'm going now, so y'all can just enjoy y'all little video. But are y'all ready for this first swatch though? Let me know if y'all ready, because I don't think y'all ready. Like, sickening. Look at that blue just going on. I love when you just see all straight blonde hair, then that first swipe of color. Woo, child. I'm telling y'all, they just do something to me. Yes, that blue is gonna be popping, sis. Popping. What Chris Brown say? Popping. Alright, y'all, but for this blue today, I am using Pop Riot, and I believe this is in Sorcery. I believe so. Yeah, because it's popping. This blue is really popping, and it's like, ooh, Sorcery. Yeah, I love Pop Riot. Like, if you ever use Pop Riot, let me know, because oh my gosh, first of all, the smell of Pop Riot colors smells so damn good. Oh my gosh, like, I just love it. Like, I can smell that smell all day. Like, what's a smell that y'all can smell all day? Mine is definitely Pop Riot color, and then possibly gasoline. I know that ain't good, but you know, it is what it is. That smell is just like something you can just no. Y'all remember? Do y'all remember the Elmer's? It's like, I don't think it's glue, but it's like what the teachers had. It was like, it came with a little tin cap, and you pulled out, and it was a little brush, and it smelled like, oh my gosh, I don't know what it smelled like, but I don't remember. But that smell, oh my god, I can just sniff all day, and I know it ain't good. But I can sniff that all day. Oh my god. Besides Pop Riot's color, I can sniff that Elmer's Teachers. I think was it Teachers glue? Somebody let me know. It was Elmer's Teachers glue or something? I don't know. But it was like clear. It was really clear. But yeah, I can smell that all day. But anyway, back to this video. On the right side, I'm applying my Redken Shade TQ in a 1B. This is just a demi, just to deposit that black color. Her hair is pretty dark, but we want to go for black, honey. Black. That black and blue, honey. That's all I'm gonna say. It's just the color, black and blue. I ain't gonna say nothing else, but alright. Yeah, so we're just going in, make sure that's fully saturated as well, because we don't want no missing spots. We don't want to see her natural color peeking through. Yeah, we just gonna do it how we doing, and that's just on period. That is just on period. But yes, here is her color all applied, and I'm just gonna let this process for about 30 minutes, and then now here we are. You know, we are here. Just the blow drying process. I'm just gonna blow her, style her out, and then show her, and then bam, we done. We are done, honey. Yes. So if you made it this far, come on now. Let's see, what else can you do if you made it this far? You know what? You can leave some black and blue hearts. Some black and blue hearts down below. I would love it. I'm sorry for my appearance, y'all, but my shirt was kind of cute, but it is see-through. But yeah, you know, it's my business. I can do how I want to do it. You know, I'm not under anybody, so you can't tell me what to wear to work. I'm cute, honey. I'm cute, sis. But anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna blow dry this out, get her right and tight, and kind of I'm tired. I'm out of breath. Goodness, talking all this, doing all this talking, you get tired. Can y'all hear it in my voice? Do I sound tired to you? Do I sound like I'm out of breath? Oh, well, I am, because all this talking, I ain't used to it. But I'm just going to go in with my little peanut to add a few lines to her cut, just to kind of personalize it, you know, give it a little spunk, you know, get her right and tight, because that's what we here for. We getting people right and tight. And now I'm just spraying. First, I'm just going to be spraying my IGK volume spray, like a little texturizing spray, and then I'm gonna go in and finish her with some Kimbra's finishing holding spray, and just to give her a little bit of hold, and then I'm gonna spin her around and show her, honey. Yes, she loves it. She's so cute and in freaking middle school doing her little thing. I just love her when she comes in. But yes, here's the finished product. Thank y'all so much for tuning in, and I will see y'all next time. I don't know if it's gonna be next Monday, but we gonna see, honey.